Hello, welcome to another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question, this one on progressive and stationary waves. If you want to do a different question in the same topic, click on the information card up here. If you want to do this question, I suggest you pause the video now. If you've got the answer C, well done. Okay, so the frequency of the first harmonic of a wire fixed at both ends is 300 Hz. The tension of the wire is now doubled. What is the frequency of the first harmonic after this change? If you look on your data sheets, you'll find that the frequency of the first harmonic is given by 1 over 2 times the length of the wire multiplied by the square root of the tension of the wire over its mass per unit length. So I'm not interested in the length or the mass per unit length because we're only changing the tension in this particular case. So I can say the frequency is proportional to the square root of the tension. Well, that means that if I double the tension, the frequency increase is going to be equal to square root of 2. So that means the new frequency will be the old frequency multiplied by the square root of 2. Well, the old frequency was 300 Hz. We're going to multiply it by the square root of 2. If you put that into your calculator, you'll get an answer of 424 Hz, or approximately 420 Hz. Answer C. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, click on that subscribe button that's going to appear there. Share this with your friends. Certainly watch more of them in the series. Thank you very much.